ngatho cia mwanya muno ni undu wa gucoka ndirehoka no urathie na mbere wega. Kenyans are not happy once again ni undu wa Karen Nyamu kuingirira ndeto marauga ndagirire gukorwo akiingirira. This is not the first time Karen Nyamu ekorete hashike na Kenyans on social media kuona hindi ya reject finance bill. Kenyans matiakorirwo magikenio ni uria Karen Nyamu akigeragia gukorwo akiaria guku nenda-ini. Karen Nyamu posted nenda-ini ciake akigeria kuruta comment yake on DJ Mo and Size 8 breakup story. Kuona Size 8 arakorirwo aki-announce ati she has started her singlehood journey thutha wa gukorwo kihiko-ini na DJ Mo for the past 11 years. Karen posted akiuga ati real breakups have no announcement. When you see an announcement on social media, just know the couple is struggling at the moment. Ni Nyamu agithie na mbere na kuga we wish at Size 8 Reborn and DJ Mo Kenya the best in their marriage. Please don't give up. Nobody said it would be easy. Ado makionekana kurakario ni haya Karen Nyamu arakiuga ati nobody said it would be easy. Aya makimwira handu ha kuga uguo agirire ambe aingire kihiko-ini neguo ahote kuruta comment teyo. Bruno Gitahi akiandikira Nyamu na kumwira Karen, unajua nini kuhusu ndoa? Na akioyo akimwira ati a side hen advising a married woman akiuga at least be in a relationship before offering relationship advice. Karen Nyamu akionekana gutamurwo ifoko ni ahuthiri a social media makimwira ati how tu ndakwagirire kwaria tondu we ndakiri akagerera ndigũcitenderithia makiria gucikinyia hau. Make sure ni wa turn on your notification wa subscribe niguo hingo ciothe ugakinyirwo ni video cito tucemanie na wa next one.